I think that I had to start thinking of writing prose as just being a million little poems. Because I don't have any discipline when it comes to writing poetry, because for me, I'm very lucky in this way, I'll wait, I feel inspired, I'll sit down, I'll write a poem, and then it's this wonderful instant gratification because you have a poem to show for it, and you can be like, look, I did this thing relatively quickly. Whereas I find that prose is the opposite. It's not gratifying. Even by the time the book came out, I'm like, I forgot that I wrote this, but like it was so long, like it feels so distant at that point, that there isn't that. So for me, it was like I have to make the process gratifying, or else there's no point in doing this. And I found that process-wise, if I can make the fiction writing the thing I'm not supposed to be doing, then I'm good. So like when I was working on my dissertation, I would earn, if I did like 2 hours of dissertation work, I earned half an hour of writing poetry. So like so that tradition is kind of continued, which is I write for half an hour a day. And I don't, it's just enough where I can get into something good, and I usually try to leave it on like a cliffhanger for myself. And then but it's not so much that I dread sitting down and doing the whole process of it. But I think that the thing I borrowed most from poetry is probably just trying to think of everything as like, this is just describe this one moment, right? Like describe this one conversation. What did their face say like when they said? What did their face look like when they said that? What did their whatever? Which is very much what being a poet is. It's like really paying attention and being curious.